Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the chart itself so Excel knows which series you mean. Once selected, go to Chart Design and choose Select Data to open the Select Data Source dialog. This is the only reliable place to rename a series. You need the series highlighted in that list. Make sure the correct series is selected, because changes here map directly to the legend and formula references. With the Select Data dialog open, click the target series and press Edit. This opens the series edit box where you change the series name. You can type a literal name, for example, Revenue Q1, or click the worksheet icon and select a cell which creates a link like equals sheet 1, $B$1. Once done, linked names update automatically when the cell changes. Typed names remain fixed. Make sure to press OK to save the edit, then OK again to close the dialog. After editing, click OK to apply and watch the legend update. This confirms the new name is applied to the chart and any formulas. If the name doesn't stick, make sure the series isn't driven by an Excel table header or a named range. Those sources override manual edits. If it reverts, go back to Select Data, either update the source cell or replace the cell link with typed text. Finally, save the workbook to preserve the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.